Hi guys, we're on the third video right now. My sister. Hi.
Hi.
So, welcome to another video. So, we will now be using many of it. So, we're just gonna be using Play-Doh and other
Kitchen set.
Play-Doh and kitchen sets. So, yeah. That's right. And also, I forgot to say, I was celebrating right now 100 plus total channel views, and that was really amazing. Thanks for that support. And yeah, I don't know why you watch it. Why? That's my question.
And let's start.
Don't forget to see. Okay, so let's start right now.
Let's start it. So,
Stop the video and let's start. So yeah, this is the we've started. And this is where I molded the two gingerbread men.
And I like to
And the star.
play a
Bread. Really bread. Oh, don't forget to see my very special 100 total plus channel views special. This is it. Nah, just kidding. It's not my special. So let's get on to it. So I call it Play-Doh Challenge. We will be building many things from this. Gonna need to go to CR. Bye-bye. A little bit. Bye. So the Play-Doh Challenge was to make creations very cool and interesting. I wonder what to build. So let's have the challenge. Okay, thank you for the 6 subscribers there, wherever they are. I don't mind. So yeah, I have already made 2. Let's get into it. I'm gonna be making the camera big enough. So I'm gonna be making a real life one. So I'm gonna like SpongeBob, whatever it is. So I'll be making burger. No, I'm not gonna be telling it. So I need to make something. Let me think of it. We'll grab this. No. What about we grab this? Okay, I grabbed it. Pizza. I don't know if I can take that. But, to go again. So yeah, I've been celebrating 100 plus total channel views. I made specialty. So yeah, I was really thanking for that. I really appreciate it. Thanks for viewing my videos. And yeah, I wonder if I'm a tutorial on that. Any of it. Also, I added another more creation. 7-Eleven is. I forgot to tell you. Sorry. Okay, let's go down to it again. My sister's making one. I gotta go. What do we make? Where's my Play-Doh? I put it there. So, let's make. What is this?
it's for cupcake.
Cupcakes. Cupcakes. So let's make. Oh cheese. Oh, gingerbread man and star. I lost it. They're dead. Okay, by the way, let's join. Okay, here it is. I grab the Play-Doh. That was really crazy. So let's put it on right there. Not enough. Pausing the video and I'll show you who will win. So my mom will decide who will win. So yeah. So
Hello,
yeah.
guys.
Okay, so we're back and we're not done. So the Lego challenge. So we both have 4. So 4 creations. So
It's not craziness.
so I have this specialty. It's YouTube logo. Sorry, because I don't have any red. I just use blue instead, and I only have this color. And I use the cream. And specialty for you guys. Hey. Okay, so cupcake. This cupcake's here. Another more specialty, and it's really amazing. I don't know. It looks for you guys. This is what it looks like. And I don't forget about my smiling face. Oh, jeez.
Ate, humabol pa ng konti. Para maging lima. Humabol
So,
pa, ate.
my sister would like to show her build all her what she made. So let's give her a chance. So be on a camera. Oh, why am I speaking like this? I don't know why. Fine. Oh, bilis mo. Limit mo.
Everyone, this is a ice cream on the top. And
Sabi nila yung kasabi.
sige naman. And
So I removed it. Okay. It's not.
And this is bananas slices, and is orange, and on the top is strawberry, and I call this fried strawberry.
Sugar.
Yes, it's fried strawberry.
Stop. Oh.
And this is ice cream. On the top is strawberry and bowling tricks. And this is pie. On the top is cherry. And on the top of cherries is a sprinkles, and so cool up about the cream. And this is so McDonald's. It's on the top is some sprinkles, and that's alright.
So yeah, it's time to show our moms to know who wins the challenge.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Let's go. I'll be pausing this, so yeah, I'll be telling you. I'm not gonna lie. It's true. So whoever wins will be on good luck. So the one lose will be cleaning all of our mess
Oh my god.
alone. But I guess they will be cleaning it all over us with the hose. So yeah, we already made that. So do you know what? I win, and I'm really sorry. Hey, talk to me. Do you hate that smiling face? Smiling face.
No.
Okay, I'll put the smiling face on you. So, smiling face. There we go. You're smiling. You're still smiling.
I'm smiling.
You're smiling with my smiley face.
Oh, daddy bird. Daddy bird.
No,
No.
smiley face.
Daddy bird. Daddy bird.
Smiling face.
Kukunin ko si Molly.
Shut up. Smiley face.
I'm smiling now.
It's like a troll face.
I'm smiling now. I'm done.
I love this.
Star, chicken, square.
How do you read with the space like? Okay. So yeah, that would be the end for the video. Smile face. So yeah, that would be the end of the video right now. So don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Oh yeah. Also, thanks for the 100 total channel views and subscribers. Subscribers. Thanks for watching.